Success is rarely a stroke of luck or a sudden accident. It is built, brick by brick, following a specific architectural design. Throughout history, great leaders have followed a blueprint. Today, we decode the secret formula that separates the dreamers from the achievers. Welcome to the secret formula of success. Let's explore the 5 pillars of high performance and personal growth. Chapter 1. The growth mindset. It all begins with the belief that your basic abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Intelligence and talent are just the starting point. The growth mindset creates a love of learning and a resilience that is essential for accomplishment. When you view challenges as opportunities to grow rather than threats, you unlock a potential that others never even realize they possess. Chapter 2. Daily execution. A vision without a plan is just a hallucination. The bridge between goals and reality is action. It is not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives. It's what we do consistently every single day. Focus on the small wins. Each check mark on your list is a brick added to the structure of your future success. Chapter 3. Overcoming failure. Many people fear failure, but the successful embrace it as the most powerful teacher available. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is a vital part of it. It provides the data you need to pivot and improve. Consider kintsugi, the art of repairing broken pottery with gold. Your scars and setbacks make your story more valuable and unique. Chapter 4. Ruthless consistency. Motivation might get you started, but only discipline and consistency will keep you going across the finish line. Successful people show up even when they don't feel like it. They understand that the grind is where the transformation happens. It is the quiet, unglamorous hours of practice that lead to the public moments of triumph. Stick to the schedule. Chapter 5. The power of networking. No one reaches the top alone. Your network is quite literally your net worth. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, inspire you, and hold you accountable to your highest standards. Build genuine connections. Success is a team sport, and the quality of your relationships defines the height of your ceiling. In summary, foster a growth mindset, execute daily, embrace failure, maintain consistency, and build a powerful network. The formula is in your hands. The blueprint is drawn. All that is left is for you to begin. Start your journey today.